Hello all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Some time ago, some of you are asking me to make a video on how you can get approved in MBA, Merch by Amazon account, where you can design t-shirts and able to sell. So we are gonna see how we can do this. So without wasting any more time, let's start our video. Make sure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel, and you can also join our Facebook group Premium Share to get daily updates. Don't skip any part of this video or you will miss the key steps. At first in Google, search with Merch by Amazon and you will see the first link, so just click on that and it will take you to this Merch by Amazon page where you can see all the instructions and all the famous brands which are collaborating with Merch by Amazon in Amazon t-shirt platform, where you can design and sell. You can see here the sign up options and the other instructions that how it works and how you are going to sell. Now if you are new to Amazon and you don't have any account, so just create a Merch by account with any of your email. It can be Outlook, Mail, Yahoo or Gmail. Now when you are creating your email, make sure that you provide all the right information. Now at the first time it's gonna ask you for solving a little puzzle, so which just confirming you that you are not a robot and creating account here anyway. So the phone number we give here or the email we give here, it's going to send you a confirmation code what we just give here for verify our email address. Now it's going to send a OTP to our phone number, so you can use any phone number you have. Now after you get OTP in your phone number, you need to give here the OTP and then it will give you an agreement of their conditions. So just scroll down and you will see an agree button. You can just click on agree, and if you want you can read that, but I think most of the people not read into this agreement as well. You can do whatever it is. So here we complete creating account in Amazon. Now we had to create account for Merch by Amazon where we had to work. So for this, here you can use any of your phone number to register for Merch by Amazon, and after that you will get a OTP again in your phone number and give here. You have to wait up to 2 to 5 minutes and it will send you the OTP. And then when you just confirm your phone number, you will find out this web page where they're gonna ask you from which country you are and what is your address and the tax form. So you should give here all the details what it is. Now I will use my business address. That's what I actually run from outside my country. It's United States, so I will use that information to create an account here. But if you don't have any company address or information, so you can just Google it and use it here. Now after you confirm all your tax informations and other pay and full name information and check information, you can continue the next process. So here to mention that most of the time you will see people telling you that it's not supported from Bangladesh or some countries like Nigeria or like that. But if you follow the basic rules and you do it from your personal details, you can get your account if you show them that you are experienced. Now it's mandatory to fill up the 8 form. This form is very important, where you need to mention yourself that how you come to their website and how you're going to promote and what is your experience. So here I am going to tell them that I am working with digital marketing and graphic designer over 5 years and having experience in Teespring and other t-shirt marketplaces, and I'm going to try March by Amazon this thing and some other information, and submit your form and application, and it will take up to 3 to 7 days and going to approve your account. And if they are not going to approve your account, so it might be the problem for your GEO or IP. So this is all. Hope you're gonna like this video. Have a great day. See you in the next video, and if you have any confusion, you can comment below.